This is a premium accordion by McNeela Music. It's a 23 button in the key of B C, and it's 3 voice. So I'll play a reel in the 2 voice format and then I'll change after and play it in the 3 voice. And the reel is Phyllis's Birthday. This is the Phyllis's Birthday, the 3 voice.